Banana is already soaked 24 hours, very ripe banana. I soaked in milk. So first I'll be separating all the banana from the milk, and I will be using the same milk to make the whipped cream. Pour the soaked banana milk into the cream. Sugar, corn flour, egg yolk, vanilla essence. You can add 1 tablespoon, milk, just mix it cold. Slowly cook on a slow fire, stirring continuously. You can see it's getting thick. Take a big bowl and then put everything in the bowl. So you can feel, you can see it's almost jelly-like. And even when it's cooling down, you make sure you stir it so it doesn't form any lumps. We have to fold in the cream, so put a small portion of cream, just fold it. Put all the cream. So now fold the cream and the custard slowly. So now drop in the banana. So remember, the banana is very ripened. Fold it. And now I'm just dropping in the sponge cake. So now fold this also slowly. So now transfer into the bowl, and then we can set it in the fridge. So spoon in the banana cake and the custard cream mix. Just break some of the cake. I'm just putting some berries, grated chocolate on the top. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Bobby Geetha, and subscribe if you didn't subscribe. Click the bell icon and watch other videos. You will learn amazing techniques what we use in the restaurants or international restaurants or hotels. I'm happy to give you more techniques. Give me your feedbacks in the comment below. Thank you.